Big talk coming in. Check this out. You are a collection of what you have accumulated into you. You've become who you are based on what you've put into your bowl, of your spiritual bowl. These emotions, these thoughts, this body, this is all a combination. You are a combination of everything that you have experienced. And others have forces on you too. But everything that you are is based on everything you are not. So what you are is equal to everything that you are not. And so here's the ultimate message. If you don't like who you are right now, you want to change, don't subtract what you don't like. Instead, only add more of what you do like. This is the big secret, and this is something that unfortunately can be lost. It's a truth that is very powerful, but a lot of people can lose it. It can go missing, go hiding spiritually in this mystical kind of way, but we have to hold on to it. We have to hold on to it. Never subtract what you don't like. Add more of what you do like. And this can be applied even to the world of that we're in right now. Instead of worrying about getting rid of the hate, worry about bringing in more love. And this is real. Okay, so instead of worrying about the darkness, worry more about bringing in the light. That's the rule of thumb. You can become whatever you want to become. You're changing. You're eternal. You have no beginning, you have no end. And you are also, because the reason why you have no beginning and no end is because you have no time. The reason why you have energy, you have substance, is because you have no space. You ran out of space, you ran out of time, you could say. And now you're just here because you ran out of space and because you ran out of time. So again, don't worry about the hate, only worry about bringing in the love. If you don't like who you are, you want to change something spiritually, physically, and mentally about yourself, you can do that. Just worry about bringing in more of what you want and worry about less about destroying what you don't want. Add, don't subtract.